Just before we get into this video, I just want to sort of give a little bit of a bump up to Will from LR Workshop and Expedition. Now Will has done an awful lot of work for us guys by doing his website for all the parts for Land Rovers and all the descriptions and wiring diagrams and everything, and it's full of useful information, and I must admit, I know he's spent hours and hours and hours on that. But not only that, his YouTube channel is sort of like floundering a little bit. It's not going very far. He's only got about 500 subscribers. So go down and have a look, because he's got a really interesting video this week on a Marstland chassis, and there's some interesting information in there that even I didn't know, because I've not done a chassis for about 5 or 6 years now. So go over and have a look and just help him out a bit. All right. Hello there. Well, what a week it's been this week. A week of complete disasters, really. Well, apart from doing the plastic painting, that turned out right nice. What I want to do is, first of all, go through some postcards. We've got some really nice ones today. Look at that one from Italy. This is from Andreas. Thank you very much, Andreas. We've never had a card from Italy. Now, this is the daddy to beat them all. Look at the size of that card. That postcard, sorry. And this is from Callie Rawson. And he's thinking about buying this car, and it's only it's a TD5, and it's only got 58,000 kilometres on it, and it's hardly ever been used. And yeah, I think it's a good buy. Well, not good buy to your money, but well worth it, good investment. And we've got a card here from Clem, who's come from sent this from Melrose. That's very nice. Now, if you want to send a card, the address is down below, and if you want to send a picture of your Land Rover too in action, send that too. We'll have a different wall for Land Rovers, I think, you know, because that's filling up rapidly now. Anyway, so what a week we've had. As you can see behind me, I've got the forklift in, and we've got the axle stripped down. Now, I've had to do it inside the shop because it's so everything's melting like crazy outside, and I couldn't, you know, support this solidly because it is quite heavy at the back. It's got a great big extra weight on, and it would just sink into the dirt, and it's a bit dangerous. So we brought it in the shop. However, if you can see, well, first of all, let's roll back a little bit and why it's in here. Well, if you can remember, I did a video over winter using the forklift, and it was leaking power steering fluid. Well, it got worse. I have never seen a hydraulic hose break like this before. It was absolutely rotten. What's happened is water has got through a split, because these are under the truck, so I never saw them, but water had got in through the rubber insulator, you know, the rubber guard here, and just rotted all the steel reinforcement. So I had to get a new pipe. So while I had it jacked up to get to the pipe fittings, well, it turned out to be a major job. I'm going to do a video on this together, but my machine shop man is making new bushings, all sorts of stuff for this truck, because we can't buy the bits. But you know, it's Easter, and Friday rain, everything closed, and Monday everything closed. Day in the life. So what else are we going to do? Well, we've got the go-ahead for the 110 to do some cosmetic repairs on it, just to get it, well, looking all right and driving. And I've put a set of old Avon tyres I've got on the truck. We'll go out in a minute and have a look at it in a separate video. But also they wanted the headline change into like something that looked original, and I had one, except where is it now? There. Bloody mice had got into it and chewed it all up. So I've got to recover that again, which is no big deal, but it'll make a good video, because this time we're going to try and vacuum form it. Not vacuum form it, but use vacuum to put the headline in down. Will it work? Who knows? So that's it. So what I'm going to do today, I'm just going to wrap this up because it's going to be a really quick one. I'm going to go out now to the African Queen and start to work on the doors. And it's just going to be like a typical Land Rover repair. All right, so let's see what we can do.